Hi everybody, Jackie here with Dr. Bilski of Bilski Family Dentistry. How are you doing today?
Great, how are you?
Doing good. So we've talked in the past about, a regular toothbrush versus a mechanical toothbrush, manual versus mechanical. Now today we're kind of talking about two different kinds of mechanical toothbrushes, the spin brush or the Sonicare. What's better?
Well, as long as you're using it properly, who can argue what is better?
That's a good point.
Sonicare, I feel, is a better product because it adds vibration, which kind of shatters the bugs and the plaque on your teeth as it sweeps it away. Where a spin brush is good and spins and gets it cleaner, like the commercial says, more like a true professional dental cleaning.
Yeah.
And there's ways of testing and researching it. We don't want to get into that. But from a dentist point of view, and again, that's two doctors could argue about anything.
Right.
I'm going to say Sonicare. It gets in there and it explodes as you're brushing your teeth, any bacteria or plaque that's loose.
So it doesn't actually spin, it stays and it vibrates.
Vibrates and it gives these little sonic waves and it kind of knocks these bugs that are in your mouth. Like we always say, swimming in the kiddie pool. No one really likes that. Let's knock off those bugs that are pooping and peeing in your mouth, right?
Yeah.
So
they're the only ones who want to swim in the kiddie pool.
Right.
Like the kids are the only ones who want to swim.
Exactly. So what's the best one for you now that I told you that? Well, maybe it is a Sonicare. And then there are a lot of products that are being reduced in cost, and Amazon is the best place to go for that. So the heads on the Sonicare used to be quite expensive. I'm not exactly certain what they were, but I saw yesterday because I knew we were going to be here today talking about it, and I believe it's 4 heads for $60.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah.
How often should you change the head of a toothbrush, whether it's mechanical or if it's a manual? How often should you change the toothbrush?
It just depends on how vigorous you are with cleaning. So with the spin brush, the problem with that is you're using it as a normal manual toothbrush, and the mechanical, it kind of rubs a little bit raw the gums. If you're aggressive, it may wear out sooner, so it might be every month for you. On the Sonicare, you can be less aggressive and you just kind of hold it and sweep away. I think, say you got 4, that should last you maybe about 2 to 3 months. But I could be wrong. It could be something different for you than it is for me, or reverse that.
So how do you know when a toothbrush has met its end and it's time to replace the head? Is it when they get frayed? Is it, is there a good pointer for that?
You mainly know by how it feels.
Okay.
Like, how you get a brand new toothbrush when you come see me and you brush your teeth and you're like, wow, that is amazing. Yeah. And then you get about 2 months into it and you're like, that's not so amazing anymore. I don't feel the same.
Hard, bristly, not, and
It's time to get a new
head
on the toothbrush.
New head on the toothbrush.
Yeah.
So Sonicare versus spin brush, they work a little bit differently. Every doctor can argue every point, but in your, professional opinion, Sonicare is the better way to go. The sonic waves, the vibration really, really shake those bugs off and go beyond just spinning it around and don't hit the gums as hard as a spin brush might.
I think so. I believe that, and the research may suggest that, yes.
Wonderful. So in addition to brushing your teeth at home, you want to make sure that you get in for your dental cleaning. So if you need a dental cleaning, you want to make sure you're getting this in twice a year. If you are a child, more than twice a year. If you're an adult, you want to come in about every 4 months. So if you haven't hit that, call Dr. Bilski's office, get in to assess if you're brushing your teeth well and properly, what brush you're using, and get your teeth cleaned. You can call them at 216-524-4410 or visit them online at bilskidds.com. You can also visit their offices right off of Rockside Road in Independence. Dr. Bilski, thank you so much for talking to us about this today.
Thanks for having me.